Hey, welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. Let's take a look at your new 22 Cougar half-ton 27 SGS. Up front, you've got a molded fiberglass front cap with a mirror to look down into the bed of the pen box. Hook up your pen box to your fifth wheel hitch. It's a Rotaflex, so it's going to pivot back and forth. Take away some of the herky-jerky when you're towing it down the road. Spare tire is located up front. You've got your battery box with access to the terminals on top. There is a disconnect there for the 12-volt controller. There are some LED docking lights here. And then a nice one to make hooking up easy. That's going to illuminate that front cap with those two docking lights. A couple slide outs on this side. Let's take a look at the business end of it. You're going to have two 30-pound propane tanks. The guys are getting those filled up and installed for you. There is a valve right in there to switch the tanks back and forth between each other. You have your 15 amp controller for your onboard solar system and your Lippert auto leveling system. We'll show you when you get here on hooking up your truck for the first time. I'm also going to send you some videos to show you how to operate it as well as troubleshoot it. And there's a 50 amp service cable for you. The motion sensor LED light in the service center just kicked on for us. That in there is going to have your hot and cold water external shower, bypass for your water heater when you winterize, winterization system, a hookup for your fresh water, and your sewer flush, and then some pull valves for your gray and black tank. You are prepped for additional solar as well as a hookup for your key TV system for your cable and satellite, and I'll send you a little video on those. The guys are obviously prepping the unit for you, so they've got the water heater cover off. Down below here, we're going to have the let-off point for your gray and black tank. There's also another handle there for your secondary gray tank. On the side here is going to be the freshwater port, so that's going to fill your onboard holding tanks. Hook up for your 50 amp service cable. We do have electrical adapters that we're going to provide for you to drop that down to 30 amp service. Ladder to access your roof for maintenance and service. Camera readied on the back if you want to install a backup camera. You do have a receiver hitch and a 4-way flat wiring harness on the back end of your camper. Slide out on your campground side. Nice big power awning, LED lights above. You'll have your secondary propane holding tank. Let's go ahead and open up the access from the other side. Your in-command system. I have a video for you on that as well. So many details to go over. Hook up for cable and satellite, and then also your quick connect coiled hose for your hot and cold water shower outside. Marine grade speakers, and then we've got your Lippert steps. Nice big wide steps this year, making getting in and out easy, as well as the large grab handle. When you first walk in, we've got a CO2 and propane detector there for you. Take a quick look at your new rig. On the slide out, we have your TV, CDD, DVD player, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, all the good hookups, electric fireplace, table and chairs, as well as your two recliners, storage above, and your hide-to-bed sofa, RV gas electric refrigerator with cabinet fronts, and controls right inside. Hood and fan and lighting. 3-burner cooktop. We'll just roll this back once and one more time. Gives you some extra counter space. Nice big oven underneath. Cutting board covers will cover your stainless steel double sink. Pull faucet on your sink, some great storage beneath, and 5 drawers. USB ports are hidden throughout the camper. Well, not quite hidden, right there by your utilities. AC is ducted through the ceiling and is running right now, and I can tell you it is working beautifully because I am chilled. Fuse panel and breaker box right here in the cabinet. That's going to allow you to check any electrical issues you may have. Heater ducts along the way. Motion sensor LEDs. The in-command system to be able to get things started. A bunch of zeros will be your secret code to access in your HVAC, which is your heating and cooling, lighting, slides, and settings. You'll be able to turn on your water pump, water heater, and a quick in and on and off for your interior lighting. 3-panel glass shower door. Please make sure that latch is secured so you can keep having a 3-piece shower door. Queen bed up front and your second AC installed. Wardrobe slide out. Everybody asks, what's this little black thing? That is to tell the in-command system the temperature of the room for your heating and cooling. They're throughout the camper. And that right there is a quick look at your new Cougar 27 SGS. Thank you so much.